In this video, we are going to actually assign the homerooms. And what you need are your homeroom list. So I have my homeroom list here. I'm going to have the 3 third grade homerooms, those 3 teachers, and those are all the students in those homerooms. So make sure you have that handy. Now, the next thing we're going to do in 2021 in the cheater, type homerooms with an S, main. So homerooms, main. And that will take you right to homerooms maintenance. So if we look at the 3rd grade, I've got a couple things I need to fix. So 3A is now Sharp, and she's in room 208. And 3B is Hale, and that's room 108. So they flip-flopped. And then I need to add a 3rd homeroom. So let's edit this one. And I'll flip the teacher to Sharp. You are getting a message saying it's conflicting. Just hit continue and save. So now I need to fix 3B. And this should be Hale. And save. Now, don't get too caught up on the name of these homerooms. And oops, I forgot to switch the room. So he is in room 108. Notice 108's not showing on here. That's because we need to go to rooms, location. So I typed rooms in the cheater/LO. Took me right there, and I look at 108. See how it says it's not marked as a homeroom? So that's why it doesn't show in the drop down. So let's fix that. And then let's go back to home rooms main. Make sure you put that S on homerooms. So now I come here for Hale. And Hale was room 108. So this is what I was mentioning before. You could change the name and say Hale. That really doesn't matter. It's the teacher that matters. So let me fix Sharp. And Sharp is 208. Now I need to add the 3rd one. So we'll follow the same format. It's an all year, and this is 3B, 3B, oh, sorry, 3C, 3C. And Pearson is that other 3rd grade teacher. He's in room 211. And let's find Pearson. We'll do the same capacity, 25, and we'll pull 3rd over here. Save. Now we're ready. We have our 3 homerooms. Now we're ready to take our list and assign the kiddos. So in the cheater, type in homeroom bulk, and it will take you right to the homeroom bulk assign. And we're going to stick to this tab number 1. So we select all year, and let's select Sharp's homeroom. So she's 3A. Now I'm going to select, so notice in my list, I just have names. I don't have student ID numbers. That's okay. If I had the student ID numbers, I could use this student number option, and I could type them in 12111, comma, 12116, comma, but I don't have that. My list only has names on it. So I need to do search by name, and I'm going to narrow down this list, and we'll go 3rd grade, active, and non-resident. And I'm not going to select by default. I'm going to leave that blank, and I'm going to hit preview, and up is going to pop up all the 3rd graders. So now I just look at my list and check. So Atkins, I have Rosemary Brock, Julian Dotson. Next one, Hilda Elliott, and then Neil Ellis. Then we have an England and a Fuller and a Guzman. England, Fuller, Guzman. Harris, Hayes, Houston. Harris, Hayes, Houston. And Keller and Larson. And Potts, Rivas, and Sargent. Potts, Rivas, Sargent. Schwartz, Spence, and the two Suarez. Oh, well, Sargent. This is supposed to be Kristen. And then I have Schwartz, Spence, and two Suarez. So there should be 20 kiddos. So I'm going to go ahead and hit save. And I would repeat that process for 3B and 3C. And once you have that done, then you're ready to move on to step number 3, and that'll be another video.